What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Central Boys with me, Feral, and my buddy Imam. Today, we're gonna give you an update regarding Punk Protocol, right? So, we have discussed Punk Protocol a while back. I'm pretty sure you all might know. It's a project where people can participate in the pension fund from DeFi. So, let's get right to it, shall we? Come on, let's go.
Alright, so yeah, as you guys know, Punk Protocol will launch its mainnet in August 10 with name Fair Launch. So the Fair Launch here basically like yield farming, yeah,
Hmm.
yield farming to earn the Punk token for the early governance established for the community itself, which is kind of great since the punk protocol hype in community is quite huge, especially they already won Gitcoin hackathon over for the testnet that they already did in around May, yeah, I believe, yeah.
The testnet?
Yeah, I
I
think.
think like around around May, mid-May. I think around
Yeah,
mid-May.
yeah, around mid-May, and a lot. It's around 4,000 transactions. So it means it's yeah like less and more around 4,000 people as well that already tried this the testnet. So it's kind of great. And then they say that the APR for the savers start minimum in 1,000 APY. So it's kind of
Mhm.
great. It's like this thing. It's kind of denying the natural of the common yield farming in
Right.
DeFi
Yeah.
ecosystem. So usually in common DeFi ecosystem, if you have a big IPR in the early stage, and then a lot of people become the a lot of people using the deposit pool, and then the pool become more crowded, and then the APR will be decreased based on demand, basically like that. But I don't know, but upon they state this starting a minimum APY 1,000%. So yeah, let's see how it
No,
goes.
yeah, right. Yeah, they might give us a surprise, because the starting minimum of 1,000% APY, you can see right there, they have an arrow pointing upwards beside the 1,000% number. You can see that, right?
Yeah. Hope it's true, man. Hope it's true, man. Yeah.
Maybe the more people actually use the fair launch pool, the APY might go up. We're not too sure yet.
Yeah.
Nonetheless, I'm very excited. I'm pretty sure you are too, Imam. I'm pretty sure we are all very excited for this event.
Yep. Let's go. And here's the schedule for it. So the fair launch start in August 10, and then uh the closing is in 27th. So yeah, uh in UTC time, 00 UTC time, which is if in Indonesia is around 7 a.m. something. Yeah, that's quite morning, you. That's quite morning. But anyway, uh for the initial supply that already exists in the decentralized exchange, in case in here using Uniswap, is around here, is around almost almost 300,000, yeah, almost almost
Yeah.
300,000, and then they took the 70% of it for this fair launch pool, so
Mhm.
you can farm the punk token in early stage. And then here's the unique thing: the equation for earning your Punk token in this fair launch is quite simple. So let me zoom in. So the rewarded punks equal to its pool reward. So let's say you use DAI pool, DAI stablecoin pool, and then times like sum of the period in the bracket times your deposit divided by total deposit. So let's say you have the total deposit in the supply is $3 million and you deposit $3,000, so you get around 1% in ratio, and then times period. Let's say you let it be in a month, around 30 days. So 30 days times 1%, it means 30%, right? And then you got 30% times its pool reward. So let's say here they have 70,000 pang in one pool, and then times 30%, based on the example, you earn around, yeah, it's quite a lot, around
Yeah, it's a lot.
20,000 pang something. But nice to
Mm.
know. That's why the IP are so big. Hope still big like that until the end of the fair launch pool. So yeah, and then
Oh.
the maximum deposit for the yield farm is 3 million, if you can see
Mhm.
here. And then still remember, you need to pay a 1% service fee for the withdrawing. So yeah, hope this service fee will not add with a higher gas fee, but no worry right now, because uh, today it's already London hard fork for Ethereum 2.0, so it must be cheaper for the gas fee, so no worry about it.
Mhm.
Yeah, and then as you can see here, so far, let's check in the website. So for now, it's only for compound savers. This one is still a testnet one. The mainnet is on 3 days. Yeah, yeah, 3 days in
Yeah,
the future.
three
Yeah,
days.
see, 3 days in 3 days. All right. So this is the fair launch. The APR start. I think this line is the graphic of the APR. Might be lower, might be higher, and this is your claim pang and something. So far, they only use compound for the aggregator pool. Maybe
Mhm.
they will add some more, like Aave, Idle Finance, Burnbridge, and Curve Finance for addition variation of the pool. Might be nice. And then shout out for their developer team that already won the Gitcoin hackathon here, to linkage the Punk protocol into BTC yield strategy, Aave, Burnbridge, and Curve. So that's it, guys. So see,
And mhm.
so
What
see
do you want to?
what? So see you on the August 10 to be
Ah,
ready with your stable coin for it.
of course. So, guys, personally, I look forward for this project very, very much. Can you please scroll down? Scroll down.
See,
Uh, Scroll down again.
see.
Right. So basically, on what's next, Pong Protocol aims to be an open source protocol where developers can also take part in. So yeah, just like what Imam said, Pong Protocol aims to be, what do you call it, a different pool friendly on different ecosystems, right? So you can, what do you call it? So you all can
Maybe
conduct
like
on
another
our.
maybe like other pool from other DeFi platform, let's say, not ecosystem, because it's still in Ethereum ecosystem. No whether it is.
Right, right, right. So what I'm yeah. So what I mean is like not the ecosystem, but in the pool, right? Exactly. So it's like it can be in the Uniswap pool, Aave pool, Idle Finance, Barnbridge, so on and so forth. But yeah, like Pong's aim and its what do you call it, overall flow of things is very very great. And in my opinion, this is going to be one of those big projects in the next maybe 5 to 10 or 20 years because not only due to their core business, but they also aim to make the what do you call it, the overall project to be decentralized and more focused on the community. And they're doing very very well with the fair launch. That is why with them doing the fair launch, they're trying to distribute the governance among the members. Oh wait, among the holders and the participants of this fair launch, so they can become Pong holders and yeah, etc. etc. So nonetheless, I'm very no. Regardless, I'm very very happy and I'm very very excited for this fair launch. What do you think, Imam? What is your personal opinion about this?
This since Pump Protocol is the only not the only, maybe the first like pension fund annuity in DeFi. This is might be huge, like people will FOMO into this, but the people that FOMO into this, like not like a average Joe in the crypto space, maybe like more like people need the crypto stability stuff, people with higher income
Yeah.
usually.
Exactly. So it's like people who are already savvy in the crypto knowledge, where they can do yield farm. They know, yeah, they know how to yield farm. They know how to play LPs, liquidity pools, right?
Yeah,
And they also want something that is stable for the very very long term. So not only they are in what do you call it, are in tune with the blockchain technology, like they love blockchain, but they want something that is very stable. They want something that is that what do you call it, that is not as volatile. They will come into Punk Protocol because they offer exactly just that. Because stability in crypto as of now, it doesn't go hand in hand, right? Because crypto is very volatile. So people who actually seek stability in the crypto space will come into the will FOMO into Punk Protocol. That's my opinion.
yeah. And anyway, I think this project might be great. So yeah, make sure be ready your stablecoin on the August 10, uh,
Yep.
and make sure you have some pump. And also remember to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Make sure put your
Exactly.
notification on, and
Hmm.
see you
And with
guys
that
in next
said,
video.
everyone. And with
Yeah,
that
yeah,
said, everyone. I hope you also I hope you like the way we explain things, and if you think that we make some mistakes, especially to the developers, so if we make a couple of mistakes, don't hesitate to comment down below and actually tell what we did wrong. Right. So
yeah. Just
me and Iman,
correct
we will
us if
disagree with you.
we are wrong about the explanation thing. So yeah, the
Yeah,
Central
with that,
Boys
Central Boys
signing
signing
out.
out.
Let's go.
Thank you, everyone.